8:15 in the morning and we are on the way to Borkum with Judy. It's her first little trip. She's very tired and so are we, but hopefully the weather's good. So to get to Borkum from Hamburg, you can go from Dammtor or Altona Hoppenhof, and then you take the train to Bremen, change there to a train to Emden Außenhafen, and then you get off there and you're gonna go take a ferry, and then the ferry takes an hour and a half. So it is a bit of a journey, but I think it's gonna be worth it to go to a East Frisian Island, which I've never gone to before. We are sitting in first class IC, and we have a pretty big seat here. We have Judy to my right side. I think she is the absolute perfect travel dog. Like, look at this. Totally chill. We are on the ferry to Borkum, just somewhere in Niedersachsen, and we're going to go about 1.5 hours to Borkum. So let's go. It's super windy. I think Judy's like a little bit suspicious, but I think she... This is the lot. So we're just getting to the island here. Here is Borkum, and that's Germany over there. It was pretty sunny at night. No complaints. How cute is this train? You can sit here with the dog. So we're arriving in little Borkum town. Last stop at Hoppenhof. And yeah, then we're gonna go check out the hotel. I mean, how cute is that train? It's so colorful. I love it. And you go directly to town. That's awesome. So we are at the Art Hotel in Solas. We're just waiting for check-in. And Judy's doing some exploring. What's that? Oh, there's new sounds. There's no sound. Nice little view of the Altstadt here. So they also have this little Hundetasche, and it had some treats in it and 2 bowls. This one. Judy, what do you think? Yummy, huh? Also has 2 dog towels, so this hotel is super dog friendly. Judy is very happy at her dog. A gift pack here with some chocolate. Oh, they have a little code for you. Here's a surprise for us, Judy. What's inside? Judy loves fridges. What's inside the fridge? Whoa, we got beer. Fine. So, switch cameras back to DJI because I have a little bit more hands. I'm not carrying a million bags. We are now going to find the beach bar. And we got Judy, as usual. She had her lunch. And she's enjoying the city views like us. So far, it looks super cute. Lighthouse, we're gonna go there tomorrow. First we go to the beach bar. You can see there's the lighthouse. Here's the beach. Super close to town. Yeah, come on. She's learning how to walk on a leash, so one step at a time. It's actually really pretty, right? Super nice, great beach, nice and sandy. I think we're gonna have some fun. So we have our cocktails, beer. To a hopefully we have this amazing food, and look at the food, look at the view, but we are hungry AF, so we are not going to do more of this. And we ate that so quickly. We were starving. So lovely here, I can't. So we're just sitting here and there's some live music going in this little thing there. So cute. So here we have a typical herringedeck with beer and corn. And a margarita for me. Bye. Morning. Did you have a good sleep? Did you like the bed? Did you like the bed? Did you like the bed? Just a small breakfast today, but super cute. Good morning. We are on our first little gassy walk with Judy this morning, and she's doing so good. She's smelling all the things, looking at all the chickens. It's absolutely adorable. I think this is the perfect place for Judy to learn how to walk. Come on. Here we have lots of funny birds. What are those? It's a lot of ducks. Like, look at that. Ducks. Look at that cute little horse. Ooh, hi. Look at the cute little ducks. Oh my god. What are those, Judy? Oh, now there's a chicken. Now we're going to this Omas Teestübchen for an East Frisian tea ceremony, which I've done in Norden, but let's do it again. All the tea you can have. We're having the East Frisian tea today. First sip is the cream, then the tea. My favorite part. This is good. I love it. And it's like what the sailors drank for like full power, right?
It's also against sickness and just for
That's good. So we have this little cafe, Willy Wilken. I think it's probably one of the only super cute, like, millennial approved cafes in this town, but super light. We're on this street here, which is a cute little shopping street with out here. Beautiful. They make their croissants here. Handmade and probably gonna be super good. Is the Wasser Museum. Unfortunately, it was closed when we got there. We were a bit late, but if you want a really cool museum, you can definitely go in there. We'll try to catch it another time. Now we're gonna go for a walk in the dunes. Now we have lunch at a restaurant at Borkum for dinner. Hopefully some regional food. We have this big menu here, and it's one of the best restaurants in Borkum. Of course, we are going to get a steak. We are going to get the dry aged filet? Filet with our Lieblingsbeilagen. And I'm going to get the Süßkartoffel puree and the champignons, port wine sauce. We have our chill dog as usual. course, in Borkum we have to eat fish. Got prawns, matjes filet, falafel, some bruschetta, laffen schmecken. Okay, this steak looks amazing. We have the rump steak with peppercorns, port wine sauce, sea salt, onions, tomato salad, garden salad, champignon. What is that? Butter lemon? I don't know. And drilling a top bowl. We're gonna try the steak. Salt. Okay. I think that's the best steak I've had in a long, long time. Let's give it a go. So here's our breakfast. We have eggs, pancakes, bacon, salmon, eggs. That's high hazelnut, honey, orange juice, coffee. I think that's good. What do you think, Judy? Judy? What do you think? Is it good? And we have an Aperol Prosecco Spritz dispenser. Like, what? It is the last day here at Borkum, and we are going up to the lighthouse. You can see up there. We're gonna go to the top, all the way up the stairs. So we're at the Große Leuchtturm Borkum, and it was built in 1879. Took 6 months, 63 meters high. Let's go! Can you take your dog everywhere? Not everywhere, but you can take them on top of the lighthouse. You did so good. More views. Wow, look how far the water goes out. It's gotta be like at least like a 2-kilometer walk to get to this beach, to get to the sea. So our next adventure is a Wattwanderung. We are going all the way out there. Slowly. Oh my god. So after I got super muddy at the Wattwanderung, we're on the ferry back home. Judy is super pooped, but I think I can take this dog literally with me everywhere because she just sleeps in that cozy bag. And now we're going to make our way back to Hamburg. It's going to be a little bit with 2 transfers through Emden and Bremen. But pretty tired, but we really loved our vacation in Borkum and we'll definitely be back. I wish we stayed an extra day. So hope you liked the little vlog, and make sure to like, follow, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, Hannah's Hamburg or Hannah Tessin, and we'll see you at more videos like this. Bye!